Hey, happy Saturday! It's May 16th, and that's why this Christmas mug is appropriate. No, I'm just kidding. It just makes me happy. He's smiling at me. I don't have an official countdown to Christmas, but I do love the holidays. But I also am really looking forward to having a beautiful summer in the Northwest. So I'm gonna put the Christmas mug aside for now. So I wanted to get on today and talk to future home buyers. I know that it can be really overwhelming when thinking about purchasing a home. Obviously, the rates are not super right now. They have been going up, they've been going down, up and down, and really just, we haven't seen those rates in the 2s and 3s for a couple of years now. One thing I will say, regardless of what rates are doing, paying a landlord and continuously paying rent is not gonna help you in the long run. All right, so get your pen ready, take some notes, or I can put the slide at the end of the video and you guys can save it on your phone. The first thing that you need to do is create a budget. Look at your monthly expenses and start saving for a down payment. You're definitely gonna wanna do your research. There's a lot of options for down payments right now, and you really need to know what it takes to buy a home. You want a budget for sure. You want to start saving for that down payment, and you definitely want to talk to a financial advisor or a realtor to get some advice. So I am licensed in Washington, Oregon. I'm in the Southwest Washington area and the Portland metro area. If you are located in another part of the country, I can connect you to one of my referral partners. I have great agents that I work with across the country. So the second most important thing after you've created a budget and started saving for that down payment, you really want to know your credit score. At the bottom of the video, I will put those credit scores that are best for looking at homes and getting approved for homes. There are some great resources out there to check your credit score. You want to get on creditkarma.com or other websites, which I can put at the bottom of the video. You want to learn your credit score, and you definitely want to work on if you have debt to pay off. It can look like, paying down credit cards. You really want a certain debt to loan ratio when applying for a loan. And number 3, you want to find a great real estate agent. So there's a lot of us out there, and I definitely love working with first-time home buyers. I love working with second-time home buyers. I love working with people who want to invest in real estate, and I love working with people who are listing their home and want to buy their next purchase. I work with everyone. So if you're not sure if you can afford to buy a home, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you through the process and get you connected to the right people. Once you hire me as a real estate agent, I get to work on day 1. We talk about the kind of home that you're looking for. We talk about the area that you want and the pros and cons of what houses you're looking for, what you're looking for in the school district, neighborhoods, type of home, how many bedrooms, square footage, how many bathrooms, etc. If acreage is important to you, if a 2-story home is important to you, do you want a 3-car garage? Do you want to be in a gated community? Do you want a dog park nearby? Is the neighborhood important to you? Do you want to walk through your neighborhood? And do you want to have a condo, a house, a townhome? Do you want to be in a country style living? Do you want to be in suburbia, city living? Those are all important questions. And I've been at this a long time, so I love this part of the process. I love a challenge, and I will do whatever it takes to get you into your perfect home. When you're thinking about hiring a real estate agent, you definitely want to meet with a couple different people and get a feel for them, see how they interact with you, and see how helpful they are, because at the end of the day, this is going to be the biggest purchase of your life. And me being a homeowner myself, I went through the process. You definitely want to work with someone who owns a home so they understand it. Not only do I sell homes, I own homes. So I know what it's like, and I can relate to you while you're buying your first home. When you get pre-approved for a home, it sets you apart from the other buyers that are shopping without a pre-approval letter. I would never suggest shopping for a home without knowing your buying power. Once we know your buying power, your lender and I will work together to get the home that you are dreaming of. And because it definitely differentiates you against the other buyers out there, you wanna know how much you can put down. You wanna know your range of what you can afford, and you wanna know your buying power. So that really is your wiggle room, and knowing how much you can actually spend, because you don't wanna overspend when purchasing a home. Also, when you work with me, I will connect you to my preferred lenders. There's a lot of things that can come up when purchasing a home, and you definitely wanna have a qualified professional on your side to get you through from point A to point B. There's a lot that can come up with home purchases, and when you write your offer and have a great lender on your side, you definitely want somebody that is a really good communicator, knows what they're doing, and knows how they can get you the best rate when purchasing your home. Obviously, rates are on the high side right now, so there's a lot of options for buyers, and you want to know all of your options before you make those decisions. If you want to work with your credit union or your bank, or if you have a lender in mind, that's totally fine. I definitely would want to recommend a few of my preferred lenders because I love and trust them, and they have helped me get through transactions and helped me get through hurdles. Number 1, save for a down payment. 2, know your credit score. 3, find a real estate agent. 4, get pre-approved. 5, find a home. That's the fun part. That's when I come in. 6, make an offer. 7, you want to get a home inspection. 8, get a home appraisal. 9, close the sale. And 10, move in and get those keys and celebrate and have a housewarming party and start thinking about what kind of plants you want in your backyard and which room is yours and how you're gonna decorate the house and paint colors. Honestly, that's the fun part.